Hello viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss last 2 days physics strategy. About the most important 3 marks and 5 marks questions of Chapter 5, Magnetismand Matter, Chapter 6, Electromagnetic Induction, and Chapter 7, Alternating Current. For Class 12 or PUC 2 Board Exams 2025. This will help you to pass and score in the board examination. So watch till end, and just do one like, share and subscribe. If you want a PDF copy, just visit description box for PDF link and comment your review. Let's start one by one. Chapter 5, Magnetismand Matter. 1. A. State and explain Gauss's law in magnetism. B. Draw magnetic field lines pattern for a bar magnet. 2. What are magnetic field lines? Give any 3 properties of magnetic field lines. 3. Define 1. Magnetization. 2. Magnetic intensity. 3. Magnetic permeability. 4. Magnetic susceptibility and give their SI unit. 4. Define magnetic elements of Earth, or define declination, dip and horizontal component of Earth's field. 5. Give 5 properties of A. Diamagnetic materials. B. Paramagnetic materials. C. Ferromagnetic materials. 6. Write 5 differences between diamagnetic materials and paramagnetic materials. 7. Give 5 differences between diamagnetic materials and ferromagnetic materials. 8. Draw the variation of magnetic field with magnetic intensity when a ferromagnetic material is subjected to a cycle of magnetization. Or draw hysteresis curve, BH loop. 9. State and explain Curie's law for paramagnetic materials. 10. Define the terms 1. Hysteresis, 2. Retentivity, 3. Coercivity. 11. Write the expression for magnetic potential energy of a magnetic dipole kept in a uniform magnetic field and explain the terms. 12. Show that a bar magnet is equivalent to a solenoid which produces the same magnetic field. Chapter 6, Electromagnetic Induction. 1. Describe the magnet and coil experiment to demonstrate the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction. 2. Briefly explain Henry and Faraday's coil experiment on electromagnetic induction. 3. State and explain Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. 4. What are eddy currents? Give 2 advantages or applications or uses of eddy currents. 5. State and explain Lenz's law in electromagnetic induction. What is the significance of Lenz's law? 6. What is motional electromotive force? 7. 1. What is meant by self-induction and mutual induction? 2. Define self-inductance and mutual inductance. 8. Obtain the expression for motional EMF induced in a straight conducting metal rod when moved perpendicular in a uniform magnetic field. 9. Mention any 2 factors on which A. Self-inductance of a coil depends, B. Mutual inductance of a coil depend. 10. Obtain the expression for energy stored in inductor or solenoid. 11. What is AC generator? State the principle of AC generator. 12. With the help of a labeled diagram, derive an expression for instantaneous current-induced EMF in an AC generator. Chapter 7, Alternating Current. 1. Write the relation connected to RMS value and peak value of alternating current. 2. Derive the expression for instantaneous current through an inductor and represent in phasor diagram. Or show that voltage leads current by pi by 2 when AC voltage applied to pure inductance. 3. Derive the expression for instantaneous current through a capacitor and represent in phasor diagram. Or show that current leads voltage by N/2 when AC voltage applied to capacitor. 4. With the help of phasor diagram, derive the expressions for the impedance and current in a series LCR circuit when an AC voltage is applied to it. 5. Define resonance and resonant frequency in a series LCR circuit. Obtain the expression for the resonant frequency. 6. A. What is a transformer? B. State the principle of transformer. C. Mention 3 sources of power loss in a transformer. 7. Explain the construction and working of a transformer with a labeled diagram. This ends most important questions from Chapter 5, 6 and 7. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates.